Hey friends, good afternoon. Welcome back to the Technoland Coding channel. Before we are going enter into the topic, please subscribe our channel and also share your friend circles. Uh, we will post the videos here of Java learnings and most useful videos of our life. Okay, and today we are discuss about how we are get the discount code coupon for online omnibus ticket booking websites. Since nowadays most of them using omnibus travel for office travel purposes or festival purposes to go to the hometown, and most of them are directly booking the bus ticket in operator own websites, or like we will prefer Redbus or Abibus, and like that we have multiple options of website for booking the bus ticket. But some of them don't know about discount coupon code for online bus ticket booking. Okay, for ticket booking we have multiple options of websites, and each websites are giving provide or different discount code coupons, and also they are providing this offer code for grabbing the customers to use their websites. Okay, today we will see some of the major websites discount coupon code details directly, and most popular website for online ticket booking websites is Redbus, and most of them are using this website for ticket booking. So if you scroll down this website, we will get the current offer in for ticket booking. See, in Redbus is providing only offers for first time users. For lessons you have to log in your details here, sign in or sign up. So for example, we will book the bus ticket for some of the location from I will give Surandai to Coimbatore, and this is lockdown situations, so we will give the date of after 24th, so I will give 25th of May. So here there is a one bus is available, so you have to book the ticket. First you have to select the seats and boarding point, and also choose your dropping point. So after that you have to proceed to book. So you will directly come into this page. So here you have to provide your name and gender and your age, and you have also here you have to provide your email ID and your mobile number. If this mobile number for using first time only, you will get this offer code for 150 rupees discount coupon. If you are using this coupon code for second time, it will not work. It is invalid one. So after giving these all the details, here you want to choose anything. You want to insure your name or not. So I will choose no, I don't want to insurance. So after this you have to proceed to pay. So in this page only, it you have to enter your discount code coupons. So if you provide your discount code coupon is first. So I'm just giving this, my mobile number was just that number is invalid. So if you are providing your mobile number is first time is then only this code will be applied. So if you are giving this apply this discount code coupons, you will get 150 rupees discount coupon code here. So here is the downward for this total fare is 840 rupees. So if you are applying this offer code, you will get 150 rupees discount code, so the ticket price will be 690 rupees. Okay, now we will see another website for Easy My Trip. So here we have to choose bus. So we will get the discount code details here. So here they are mentioning this VRL travel. So they will provide the individual travel operator discounts code coupons is also available. For here they are mentioning the 10 percentage on booking details. If you want to know the more details, you have to click this one. So here they will provide the details. This discount code details coupon is available up to 31st May, and they are also how do we use this code and utilize it. So this offer is valid for all new and existing customers also, but some of the discounts code is only available for new customers only. You have to, here they will provide I think 6 to 7 discount code coupon details, so you have to get the details. If you want to know the more details, just you click the web that this button, you will get the details. Next one is abibus.com. so here also you will click the bus, and also you want to know directly the discount coupon details, you can click the offers. So if you scroll down the websites, you will get the same the booking discount code details here. So if you want to know the more details, just click that, and you can read these points and you will get the discounts. And now we will see, if you have there is a multiple number of websites is there for booking the discount code detail for bus ticket booking. So just you can type directly in the Google page online bus ticket discount code coupons. So if you are giving this in Google, you just scroll down, there is an own website Coupon India. So if you click these websites, this is the website is gathering the all the websites discounts coupons code, and they will show it in here. So just you will scroll down the website, you will get all the details. For Make My Trip, they are providing rupees 500 rupees discount coupons. So you will get the offer if you want to know the offer details, just click these buttons, they will mention. And also you have to get the coupon code. So if you just click that show coupon code, you will get the coupon code details. So you just copy this, it will be directly into the going to the that websites. So you have to just click the first you have to just book now, click the book now and provide the details, and you can book the your bus tickets. So like this they will provide most of the bus ticket offer discount coupon code is here. Just you can before booking the tickets, you can just go through this website and get to know the current offer code details. Guys, so before booking the bus ticket, please check the websites, provide a discount code offer code details, and utilize the opportunities. And they will provide the discount code offer code based on the current festivals. They will provide Holi for Holi functions, they will provide some bus ticket offer codes. It's an overall India. For if you are taking for Red Bus, they will provide discount code coupon for Pongal and Diwali also. So please use these opportunities, guys, and I hope you all are getting some most uh, valuable information, and this also very helpful to savings your money while you are booking bus ticket bookings for long distance travels. Thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and also click the bell icons, and don't forget to share your friends also. Thank you guys.